Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's a Temu haul today, so let's see what we got here. And y'all have to forgive the way of this videoing. I am not in my studio, so I'm down here trying to get this camera angle right. So let me get this bag open and show you what's in here. So the first item here, I thought this was a purse, but it actually is not. Which of course I discovered after I opened it. And it is actually black shred for my gift baskets. So this is one of the bigger bags of black shred that I got off Temu. And it was a very good price and on sale, so that is why I got it. But that's the shred there. So I had to unstick it because I pulled the whole thing out. I had to unstick it and close it back up. But next up, I'm going to pull out some more things from this. Now I thought these were real cute. These are washcloth bears. They come with a little clear bag in there, and then there's a little ribbon that you can put on there that has a saying on it. That one says "You had me at hello." I don't know that I'll use the ribbon necessarily for these, as these will go in my Mother's Day baskets. There's some red shred, which is a bigger bag. And because the price was so good on these, I bought them. I think they were like 98 cents for this shred. This is a small bag of the yellow shred. And I could probably get about 3 baskets out of that, so that is a good deal on that price. Here's a purple washcloth bear. Alright, next we have, let's see what else. This bag is full, so this is a facial cleansing set where you have the facial cleansing brush as well as the head wrap to pull your hair back so that you can wash your face and use that brush to do it. And I think that these would be really cute additions to some of my baskets for Mother's Day. I got them in several colors, or well, at least 2 colors. I got the blue ones and the pink ones. And the brushes match the head wrap, so they're real cute. And again, they were a very good price. There's some pink shred. That's one of the small bags. And there's another purple bear washcloth. I got these in purple, pink, and tan. Because the tan ones, I think I might be using in some men's baskets as well. I do have a couple of birthday orders coming up. And I got these pedicure packs. That one is in the green tea fragrance. And they're pedicure packs for your feet. Now, I don't know how I'm going to do the review on that because I'm a little disappointed. It looked like you got 10 in a pack, but for some reason I only ended up with 4 of these, so I'll have to go back and look. I ordered this pocketbook to make a gift basket out of. I thought it would be a cute one. And I just wanted to give that a try and see how it comes out. It may turn out to be a birthday gift. Next up, we have the pink shred. And I also got some bonnets, satin bonnets in this Temu haul as well. So this is one of the purple bonnets. And I got purple, red, and black, which I'm not going to open every single thing, but I did want to show you what the bonnet looked like. It is a pretty big size bonnet, and it is satin. So I'm going to put those back in the bag because I don't want them messed up. I'm probably going to keep one for me because my bonnet tore and I need a new one. Sorry for the noise in the background, y'all. My grandson is on his gamers. Alright, so that is the red bonnet. And then we have some loafers. These loafers were kind of like towels or washcloths as well. Sponge loafers, I guess you would call them. Because they do have the washcloth material on them as well as the spongy loafer type material. And I thought that they were very cute. They were in the shape of a rose. And I got several of those. And this is some shred that's gray color. Purple bonnet. So I guess I got 4 colors in the bonnets. I got the purple, the red, the blue, and the black one. And this is another foot spa. Alright, and this one is in the milk fragrance, and then this one is lavender. That other one was Mom's Milk. Alright, and then this is the Tan Bear washcloths. And then of course some more shred. And I got several of each of these items, so I didn't get a huge variety of items, but I did get several of the same items in different colors. And I saw these big ribbons, and these are pool ribbons, and y'all know I'm struggling with ribbons, so I did buy 2 boxes of these big red pool ribbons. And I went on, all they had were the red ones, so I went on and got those because they were a pretty good size, and I felt like I could mix and match those with some of the men's gifts too. Now everybody's always talking about glue dot, glue dot, glue dot. So I found these, and they are glue dots, but they are actually called balloon glue, and they are the same as the blue dots that we use. All right, and then this is another pedicure set. And that one, I think was the last one that I ordered, because I ordered 4 of those. All right, and then we have the pink facial scrub with the head wrap. Another blue one. And then next up in this bag is another big bag of red shred. And then the pink loafer. Hang tight, y'all. We're getting to the end of this here. There's another pink loafer. So I got the pink ones and I got some white ones. And I believe I got 6 of those. 3 of each color. We have another tan bear. I have 11 of the bears. And then some more balloon glue dots. So those are not actually 4 balloons, but because they're circular and a little puffy, I guess they call them balloon dots. They're not the flat ones, but I did want to open it and show it to you. And I'm going to put these back in the bag because I don't want them sticking all over the place. And then put those back in the main wrap bag so that I'll have them. And I'll be able to use them. Alright, next I have some more items in the Temu bag. And another pack of those balloon glue dots. I got about 4 packs of those. Alright, so we have another satin bonnet. And then we have a pink bear washcloth. I thought those were so cute. They were on sale. They were a very good price. So I bought, like I said, 11 of those. There's another pink one. And this is the black satin bonnet. It is black and white. And I think those will make great additions to Mother's Day baskets. There's the pink and white facial wash set. And as you can see, the brush is pink like the head wrap. There is another loofah. Loofah. And like I said, I got some white ones in those as well. And that's the other box of the red bows. For some reason, the boxes were crushed. So I don't know if somebody was sitting on my Temu bag or what they were doing. But y'all know how Temu packs stuff. They pack it in there, buddy. So, although I got a lot of repetitive items in this bag, this is a good haul because the total price of all of these items was $45. Plus, y'all know I do my price cuts. So, I always do my price adjustments. And you can do price adjustments on the same order repeatedly because sometimes different things in that particular order the prices drop at different times. And remember, you have up to 30 days after a purchase. So if you have a purchase that's already been delivered, go ahead and check it and see if there's a price adjustment on it. Even if you're within it, as long as you're within that 30-day window, you will get the price adjustment even if you have the item has been delivered. And you can get more than one price adjustment on your orders. So always check and recheck your orders for price adjustments on different items that you bought. So they're the white loafers. And as you can see, I got more shred. And you can see the contrast between the black bag and the yellow bag. The black bag is much bigger. There's another tan bear. And when I first initially saw those bears, I thought they were elephants. I had to really look at it again. I'm like, oh no, these are bears. So they're real cute, and I think they'll make great additions to my basket. So that's all for the whole Temu haul. So stay on the lookout for the incredible baskets that I plan to make with these items. And you know, Temu bags are always fun to open, so I opened all of these. I'm going to put all of these items back in this Temu bag. Maybe they'll hire me. I don't know, but they can pack a bag, let me tell you. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.